Hello, this is Steve with the Free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is February 2nd. I'm doing a review and outlook for gold. This is gold's daily chart. For at least a month now, I have shown you this rising, expanding wedge in gold's chart. It is a negative pattern. However, it doesn't seem to be affecting gold anytime in the near future. In review of my last video dated on the 26th, this large candlestick right here where you can see gold moving higher, this was mostly based on a Wall Street Journal article that was released on the 25th of January, Friday before last. And it basically said that we should expect at the next FOMC meeting a more dovish Fed, a more market accommodating Fed, and that's what made gold shoot up through the $1,300 level. Now, in last week's video, the $1,300 level was a resistance level. Now it's a support level. And in my response to the article from the Wall Street Journal was, I basically said for gold's outlook, we should see gold move sideways. I was expecting traders to just wait and see what the Fed was going to do. However, that's not really what happened. The price of gold did move sideways on Monday, but then on Tuesday and Wednesday, it just shot up on price. And Wednesday confirmed that the Wall Street Journal's article was correct. The FOMC statement and Jerome Powell's press conference, both of them confirmed that they are not looking to raise rates anytime soon, and that they're just going to be more market accommodative. On Thursday, the day after the FOMC meeting, the price of gold moved up and touched the 1325 resistance level, but then yesterday it just came back down a little bit in price. In the daily chart for gold's outlook, there is really no patterns. However, in the 4-hour chart, I was able to find a positive pattern in the 4-hour chart for gold, and that positive pattern is a rising, expanding wedge, or excuse me, it's not rising, it's falling, expanding wedge. I apologize. I will have it labeled in the next video next weekend. It's just a little tedious to label it right now, and it would just take up too much of your time for me to label it. You can tell that it's a falling, expanding wedge. It is also a positive pattern. So basically, gold isn't only expected to rise above this falling trend line, it is also expected to rise above that this red line, which is 1325, which I will show you back on the daily chart. There you can see it's 1325. So I expect gold to move up in gold's outlook. I expect it to move up above the 1325 level. However, I doubt very much that it will it may test the 1345 level. There's really not a whole lot holding gold down right now. I mean, sooner or later, gold traders will take profit, but when that is, I'm really not sure when that time will come, simply because of all the uncertainties that are still in the market and the accommodative Fed. Again, for the outlook, I expect 1325 to be broken this week, but 1345 I expect to hold, which, however, though, it could break through. Who knows? We have seen gold rise up. This is just 1 week's movement right here. So it could clearly move straight up above 1345 and quite literally test the 1360 level if we span out further. And there's other levels between. I see 1500 as a major level, but there are other levels between that. But we gotta break these other levels before we can look to 1500 or even 1360, to be completely honest with you. So that's the review and outlook for this week for gold. I thank you for your time, and take care, and God bless.